Hello everyone, today I will show you how to add the current time in Google Sheets like this one. To do this, you need to use now function. First select cells, then type equal now. Then you go to Format, choose Number, choose Custom Date and Time. Here you can remove any unnecessary elements. For example, I will keep only the hour and minute. Click Apply. Here I also want to add AM after the time, so I will select this option. There are many options here, so I can choose this one and choose Apply. And that's it. Now you know how to add the current time in Google Sheets with a custom format. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe. See you in the next one. Goodbye.